Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a quick video. So I decided to make guacamole, and I'm also showing my daughter how to do it. So first, I already chopped up some cilantro in the bowl, and I'm going to be using tomatoes, onions, a piece of jalapeno that I have, and the avocados. And I'm also going to be putting salt and pepper in there. But first, now what I'm doing is cutting the avocados. So you see I used the knife to score around the entire avocado, twist to get the half separated, put my knife into the seed and then a slight twist, and I'm using my thumb and pointer finger to take the seed off the knife. So now I'm going to grab me a spoon and I'm just going to scoop the avocado meat, or I think that's what they call it. Basically the avocado, the part you eat, out of the shell or skin. Put that into the bowl. So this is so quick and easy. You guys will be surprised how fast I did this. And so now I'm going to do the same thing with the other two remaining avocados. Score, twist the skins to separate the halves, take the seed out of the middle, and then scoop the avocado meat or flesh out of the skin and into the bowl. You'll see that like some parts of it the avocado is kind of brown, and I guess I don't know why I didn't catch that, but I caught it eventually. So see, like right there I see it, but I wasn't really paying attention. So but I will get that out of the bowl in a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to mash the avocados up with the fork, and this is where you can make it as chunky or as smooth as you like. And you'll notice this is the part where I noticed the brown part of the avocado in the bowl, so I'm going to take that out of the bowl and then continue to mash the remaining avocado. Next, I'm going to be adding the jalapenos. So I'm slicing them up, and then I'm going to dice them to a size that I want it to be to add it to the guacamole. Now I'm going to dice up an onion to also add that to the bowl. Next, I'm going to repeat the same process with the tomatoes and add that to the bowl. You'll see that I thought I was going to be able to scoop the insides of the tomato out with the spoon. I don't know what I was thinking, but I had to end up using the knife to cut it out because I didn't want that part in the guacamole. And now it's time to season it. So I'm just going to make it real easy and simple for my daughter so that she doesn't have to worry about looking for any special ingredients. So I'm basically just using salt and black pepper to my liking and taste. And then I'm also going to be adding some kind of citrus. So I was trying to find a lemon, but I didn't have one, so I ended up having to use a lime. And it's okay, because that juice from that lime or lemon that you use in it is basically just to help it stay nice and fresh and give it a little of an acidic kick to it. All right, and lastly, you just mix everything up to your liking and it is done. Grab you some chips or whatever you like eating guacamole with and enjoy. And like always, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.